Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a nail care tutorial for a longer and stronger nails. So for my nail polish remover, I am using this pharmacy nail care with aloe vera extract with castor oil and vitamin E, so it is not that harsh on your fingernails, as well as I'm using this nail remover mild by Etude. The reason why I used that the second time was because my favorite one was running out, so I decided to just finish it with the Etude House. Both of these nail polish removers are my favorite, and I highly recommend them if you don't want something so strong. Are with aloe vera extract and all those benefits. I still make it a habit to wash my hand because after all there's still chemical in it, and so I use this Naturopath body wash. Sometimes I use hand wash, but sometimes I also use body wash. Either way, I just want something to cleanse out all the harsh chemicals off of my fingers and my hands. So now that my hands are clean, I use this very soft towel to pat dry my hand. I don't rub it, I pat it gently and make sure my fingers and my hands are dry. And now to the best part. So right now my nails are very long, and I don't usually file or buffer each and every fingernails. I only do it when it's needed. So I'm using this 6-way nail buffer by Etude. I love it so much because it has like 6 steps of how you're gonna buff and file your nails, and it's really helpful, especially for those people who are actually obsessed with their nails just like myself. So it's filing it, removing the harsh line, as well as making your nails smooth and shiny. So step 1, this is very crucial for those who have broken fingernails. So this is for the long and uneven nails, so you can even it out. So step 2 is the white color, which is less rougher than the first one. This is good for the side of your nails. And now for the step 3, this is the pink color. This is after you have fixed that broken nails and the harsh edges. This will help out smoothen and even it out even more. And now to step 4, which is this green color. You see me here feeling the top of my nails for those rough surface. This will help smoothen it out. Now on to step 5. This will help your nails look more shinier even without the polish, and not only it feels smooth, but it looks really shiny. And now to the last step, which is step number 6. This would add a bit of a gloss to your nails. I would do this especially if I don't feel like putting on nail polish and I want to give my nails a break. This is what I would end with usually. And now I'm going to put this Help My Finger Essence Spa by Etude House. I really like this product because not only it helps my cuticle look really healthy, but I can see the improvement on my nails. It made it really strong as well as smooth. Now let's move on to the nail polish. As you know that you should always put a base coat before you apply a nail polish. This will help the application run more smoothly. Now before I apply the nail polish with color, I make sure that I put my nails to rest for a few seconds before I do it. So right here I'm applying a kind of a blue pastel color. It is by Etude House in number 68. With this kind of color, I would always do a double coat so that it wouldn't look so patchy or uneven. And also on my ring finger, I usually do another color, which is this glittery color by Etude House in number 104. And then I would let my nails dry for a few seconds before applying the top coat. And now for the final step, which is the top coat. Now I am using the Plain Nail again by Etude House in top coat. This one is in a shiny finish. They have a lot top coats, and you can look on their website. They also have like for stronger nails as well as for, I think they have for matte finish. And for this one, I chose the shiny finish. And voila! Now we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below of what you think. And for those who have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!